Real quickly, guys, I'm going to show you how to use the faucet in Splintergames. So you type in S, exclamation point, drink. So the code here is 3,391. So you put in 3,391. You press enter. That's how you enter in the faucet, and every 10 minutes, you're going to see that happen. So previously there was one at 212, now it's 222, the next one's going to be 232, etc., etc., etc. So every 10 minutes you do that. You have 30 seconds to enter in the code, and once it's done, you'll be in. As long as you put it in right, and that's my name right there. And you can see I received 0.549 DEC, which is small at the time right now, but recently there have been people putting large amounts of DEC SPS in the faucet, and it's just yours to keep. So yeah, that's how to use the faucet. If you want to support me, my name is Project 10 Back on Splintergames. You can send DEC, SPS, or cards if you want. And yeah, that's how to use the faucet. Thanks.